Hello beautiful people, this is Erica guys, Love Simple Cooking TV and Gardening guys. So guys, this is the last tail of my garden. It's almost fall, and so guys, I moved my raised bed to the back of my yard, and so I transfer all the sweet peppers that is not fully what would you say, they're not fit, so I transfer the plant to my pot. Yes, I have a lot of buckets and stuff that I plant my stuff in, so I just transfer everything to these buckets. And so guys, see, they're still nice and fresh. I water them so they don't dry down. And there's my new bed, my new area where I planted my garden. Because you know, I'm choosing a new spot for my garden for next year spring. Yeah, next year spring. So guys, those are all my buckets that I plant in for the summer. And guys, I'm using a new spot. This is a new spot I'm gonna grow everything for next year. And so guys, I still have some tomato on the tree. Guys, you could see my green tomato still on the tree. And my sweet pepper, the other tree, them Sunday I spend the whole day and I dig up and I pick everything that I had on the previous trees, and I moved the raised bed to a different spot, which is right there. And there is some stuff still growing guys, but you know they're gonna die if there is no in the winter time where I won't be able to keep them alive. This is my kale that I planted in my bucket. I'm waiting for it to get a little bit bigger guys. There is raised bed that I move. I fill them back up with soil. There is my callaloo. I'm waiting on the seed because I'm gonna pick the seed off and put down for next year. So guys, this is just a little snip of my garden that is coming down to the end of summer. It's almost summer. Summer is just around the corner. So you know, I move 3 raised bed and I transfer everything to bucket. So right there, everything is in bucket guys that I just transfer. But they're still doing good guys. So you know guys, thank you so much for watching my videos. Please comment, subscribe and share, and take care of yourself until I see you next year for my garden season. Take care.